the solution to life. The solution to life is right here. This is pretty much it. Particles are all probably asymmetrical fractals from the origin of the universe that processed over the ladder from plasmodium origin. A real Fourier transform of light through a medium would be A cubed with an origin and variable XYZ plane variables in links. So you plot all of your points with a cubic origin, and you move that cube through the XYZ plane, and you do it lots of times, and you do it variably. So all variables are cube points on an infinite cubic plane. Be not confused, a cube is a cube, and when it plots from an origin on an XYZ plane variously, it can tell you every possible entity variance in a volume infinitely. We do this simple algorithm in computers to solve chemistry or light or particle vectors. It's extremely easy to solve if you know algebraic geometry, and it solves all of quantum physics. It's that simple. Do it in my head for years. We call it Pandora's box, aka God equation. It is the reason that we know particles exist. It's the origin of like geometrical algebra and the explanation of the variance of volume. And it can be done in frames, multiple variable frames, and we can predict the path of particles, and they will also give identities of other particles in the way that each frame identifies a set of various volumes. So those volumes we know come from certain properties that identify positioning and what we know also in the atomic world as the electron configuration. And then once you solve that puzzle with X-rays or whatever, and then you can also use this to like work out like stoichiometry. You can use it for graphics. You can use it for predicting the action of time. It could go on infinitely, and it could use like tons of supercomputers. You name it. It's basically the God equation, aka Pandora's box. So thanks for watching, and really, this is kind of the origin. There are other important formulas, obviously, and this will vary, and you can add your stipulations into the formula, but this is the basic, variable cube points in an infinite cubic plane. The cube is most likely infinitesimally small or really small, however small, and you just plug in the variable and you go to town. And this isn't the actual 100% equation, because you will solve plotting three-dimensional XYZ plane, but this is the basis of it. So here it is. Thank you.